So I'm gonna make some sort of log video um, about some goals I'm trying to complete this year, which are mainly just learning a full stack development. I've been trying to become good at full stack development for like past 4 years. Mm, there are a couple of obstacles, some side tracks. Like instead of learning about full stack, I started learning Android development. So there's that. I did complete front end development, learning JavaScript, HTML, CSS, React, all those stuff. But it's been a year since last time I wrote some React code. So there's already next year's new version. React is probably as a new version as well. It shouldn't be hard to pick up those things. So I'm so the first few weeks gonna be reviewing React, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I already read a book about JavaScript, JavaScript definition, the definitive guide or something, 2 times. So I'm gonna read it again. So the first few months gonna be just first month. It's just pretty much reviewing what I already know. Okay, I won't be writing much code. I will just be consuming videos and reviewing stuff. So I already know basic stuff. I have learned Python and Kotlin, so I'm not a beginner programmer anymore. So today is this is the last day of the January. So I was supposed to as you can tell, I haven't made any progress, so I'm starting now. The first month I was kind of busy um, on a separate hobby project of mine, which is to I'll just show you. So if I go to my GitHub page, I was working on Aniomi to make it work in Android TV. It's more or less complete. It works, but in any case, it's still incomplete. So this is something I was working on. So now I'm gonna try to learn React. I already downloaded a course. I think this course is like 60 hours long, and I hope I can get through it. As for HTML and CSS, I have 2 books. I think it's called HTML Missing Parts or something. Missing Manual. Okay, this is the one. There's also CSS Missing Manual. So these are just sort of like introductory books, sort of like advanced stuff. So basically this, and I'm also learning to draw, hopefully, so I can create some logos or some basic illustrations, maybe with the help of AI. So to probably use that, I want some sort of like some knowledge about drawing. So I hope I can fill that gap with taking a drawing course. So that's pretty much it for this month. I mean, next month in February. So today it's 5 p.m. So I was supposed to read watch videos about React for 5 hours, and then draw for an hour, draw for 1 hour. So I'm gonna sleep at 9. Sleep is very important for me. I have wasted so many days because I was so tired during daytime. So I just want to, if even if I don't meet my goal or anything, even if I fail my goal for any day, I just want to get good sleep and start all over again next day. So I just want to focus on my health and being energized for the whole day. In anyway, I'm gonna try to so I won't be able to upload React stuff. Maybe I will upload some stuff I find interesting, or just I want to remember that I think I need later. So I might want to watch my own videos again. So I will try to upload those videos, and then I will also upload drawing videos. So that's pretty much it. So let's see how it goes. So I'm gonna make this. So this video is gonna be part 1, and in the later video I'm gonna make it at 9. I think 9 p.m. to see how everything went. So I will be following Pomodoro, which is to, so if I find something like relatively easy, I will study for 50 minutes. If it's hard, like reading a book, a technical book or something, I will break it to 25 minutes. So that's pretty much it for this video. Let's see how it turns out. All right, so I started a new React project. To start, back when I was learning, I could use the standalone React project. Now I need to use a framework. So you could technically use, I think you could probably use React by alone, but I feel like they want you to use a framework with React. So use the Next.js framework. So Next.js allows you to write full stack applications. So it provides you with rules. I don't know, many things that React doesn't provide. In any case, I copied this one and I ran the command and I created this project. And I went ahead and deleted the page file and removed the stuff and ran. Oops. So where is the, okay, so if you notice, the first thing I noticed is that even though I'm using h1 tag, the font size looks like it's a p tag. So the reason is pretty much like it's something to do with Tailwind. So when you import Tailwind classes, I mean, what is it? Global CSS. When you import, like, I don't know what this is. So when you import Tailwind like this in your global CSS file, it applies these things. So headings are unstyled. So essentially, it means that H1 all the way through H6 font size is gonna be um, I don't know, doesn't appear like so essentially they're unstyled. That's basically it. Okay, so this is the day 2. Um, last day, I mean day 1. Um, I studied for like 2 hours, and today I studied for like 2:30. So last night I wasn't able to sleep at all. So I slept at 3. I normally I try to when I it's hard for me to sleep, so I figured I would count numbers. So that would usually work. So for some reason I wasn't able to sleep yesterday, so I woke up at like I slept at 3 in the morning, so I woke up really late, 12, 11 or 12, I don't remember. So I then started um, so there's this course I have downloaded from the Udemy, Udemy the Ultimate React course. So this is the course that I'm trying to go through. So currently, I think I am in the 6th, um, whatever the sixth lesson or whatever. So I'm going through like 2 times the speed. I already know React, and so I'm just going through it. I need to refresh on hooks and routes, Redux, toolkit or whatever. I'm gonna start writing code during that part. Other than that, I'm not planning on writing some stupid little code. So last time I tried using the Next.js framework to, where is it? Okay, so last time we used the Next.js framework to write React project, right? So if you go to the installation, I believe, so they probably suggest you to use Next.js. But as I was going through the course, I noticed that there's another way. So when I first started learning React, we used to have this create a React something, some sort of like I don't know what to say. So let's just say search for it. React. Okay, it was called Create React App. Set up a modern web app. I don't know if people still use it or something. So anyway, this is one way of. This is one way I started learning React when I initially started. So back in 2-3 years ago. So now we use Vite. So basically, when you use Vite or create React app, you're just working with, you have some sort of bundler. it sets up all the stuff you need to write React app. So you will have a working server that serves the static files on your local network. You don't have to set up anything. You will also have some sort of ESLint that will check your JavaScript for standard practices, errors, or something like that. So I'm using Vite, and today, although I woke up like 12, I only managed to study for like 2:30. So that's not impressive. I know for a fact that 3 hours is my comfort zone. I can easily study for 3 hours. But and I mean, if you compare that with some days I don't even study. So 3 hours is still not enough, but I'm not proud of it. So let's see. I'm gonna keep on trying. I just started, so I think for now I'm gonna focus on being consistent. And there are a couple of things that are bothering me. One thing is Android, of course. So for some reason I feel like I'm forgetting stuff. So I think I need to some sort of like revisit, or try to write some Android application here and there. So that's it. And then also I wanted to draw, right? I wanted to practice drawing. So it's been 2 days and I still haven't drawn anything. That just means that for some reason, unconsciously, I'm trying to avoid drawing. My drawing sucks and I have no idea how to start. I do have a drawing tablet. I got it I think 1 year ago, and I still haven't used it. My drawing sucks, and I feel like I'm unconsciously avoiding it. I feel like there's a huge gap, like from my current skill to what I want to become, and it seems impossible. But I feel like if I try drawing every day, I should probably. It's just becoming familiar with it. I think I just need to I don't need to think. I don't need. I shouldn't think about anything. I should just draw. So that's probably what I felt like when I was learning JavaScript or React or any other things, right? I felt like these things are really hard, and I think it's really hard, and I couldn't possibly learn this stuff. But now I know React. It helped me learn Android really quickly. I could sort of like compare Android, how we there's a similarity between Android development and web development. So there are concepts that both of them share. So I wouldn't say the knowledge you learn when you learning web development just goes to waste. It's still transferable to Android development. In any case, I should focus on putting in the hours, and it's really early, and I shouldn't beat myself up. But I need to know that what I'm doing is not that impressive either. So I should gradually and consistently put some effort. And that's pretty much it. Let's see how things work out tomorrow.